Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of KLV TV. Today is part 3 of Trash to Treasure. In the previous episode, we changed out the fuel filter, air filter, carburetor, and spark plug. Today, we'll be changing out the oil. We will be using Briggs & Stratton Premium 4-cycle small engine oil, SAE 30. We'll only need a couple tools today. We'll need either a crescent wrench, a wrench, or a socket. So first thing we need to do, crank the engine up and get the oil warm so it drains out easily. So let's do that. It only takes a few moments to get the engine warm. This is your oil fill plug. This is your oil drain. You will need a container to catch the old used oil, and I've just made a funnel out of another bottle. So what we're going to do, we're going to loosen this bolt. Always remember righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. We'll funnel this into an old bottle. It's very dark and gross. Very dirty. We'll loosen the fill plug. Tilt the generator a little bit if you want to get some more of it out. Most recommendations say that you should change your oil after 20 hours of use. When you've got all the bad oil out, go ahead and wipe your plug off, get the dirt off, and replace it in the oil drain hole. If you can see here, we've removed approximately 29 ounces of oil. Clean your dipstick. Add your oil. As you feel, use your dipstick to check your oil. We are still on add. We'll add some more oil. Wipe our dipstick again, check our oil. We are halfway up the full mark. When you check the oil on these, you're actually supposed to leave your dipstick unscrewed and check your oil level. So we'll go ahead and add a little bit more. until we get to that full mark. And there we are. We are right at the full mark. Now we'll replace our dipstick. Hand tight. Tighten our plug. It doesn't have to be extra tight, it just needs to be tight enough so it doesn't leak. And then we'll crank our generator back up. Now, when we want to store the generator, we'll turn our fuel off and run all the fuel out of the carburetor until it dies. And we'll have a fully functioning generator that will be easy to start when we need it. So we're going to turn our fuel off. We'll crank our generator again. Run it until the carburetor is empty. That way we don't get the gunk that we had in our original carburetor. It won't look like this any longer. All right, well, that's how to change the oil in a generator. And we'll see you next time.